Elaine Malabayabas. I'm 27 years old and from Unida Christian Church, General Trias. I was 9 years old when I first received OCC box. So I was grade 4 and I received it from the church affiliated to my school in Marinduque. And first time, I think that was the first time that I received a gift. I was not privileged to receive gifts for Christmas or for graduation or for recognition. That's why I was so happy when I received that gift. And I remember there are a lot of art supplies there and stickers which I love. That's why it's very memorable to me up to now. And I have learned all through the great journey lessons. I've learned that Jesus has gave me the most special gift, which is the gift of salvation. That until now, from then and until now, I was able to maintain in my life as a Christian. Right now, I am a Sunday school ministry president at UCC General Trias here in Cavite, and I lead teachers to share the gospel and build children in their spiritual life. I thank Spartan Spurs, Operation Christmas Child organizers down to the regional leadership team for continuing the service, this ministry to the kids in sharing the gospel and the love of Jesus.